My name is Sahil and welcome to our channel. So, we are starting a series of technical analysis of various stocks and indexes. So, the first stock that today we will be analyzing is HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. So, let's just without wasting any time, just start the analysis. So, let me open the chart of HDFC Life Insurance. So, this is investing.com and the source which I am using to analyze it. And as you can see, the stock is currently trading at 556.36 as on 1st of June 11:59 a.m. and as you can see, the stock has been consolidating in a range for a while, and now the stock has been seeing crossing that range. So we expect that the stock is on the verge of a breakout level, and the stock can move up from here. And also, as you can see, the 200 DMA level of the stock is currently at 550.57, which the stock has cleared on 1st of July and is currently trading at 556.29. And also you can see the 50 DMA level is just on the verge of crossing the 100 DMA line, which also shows positive signals for the stock. Also, if we analyze it through the MACD indicators, we see there is a positive crossover on the lines. That is a positive signal for the stock. And as per the technical analysis, we expect that the stock can, from with a medium to long term view, can touch the targets of 592 to 604. However, the stop loss which we expect to keep in mind is of 530, near about uh, this level, where it when on uh, 25th June it make the doji candle on these charts. So we expect there is a stop loss, you should keep it here. While if someone is trading with a short term, so he can buy this stock with a target of 565 for target 1 and with a target 2 of 575. However, one thing to worry through uh, technical analysis is that volume, if we see from last 7 to 8 trading sessions, so it is just below the average volume. So one thing to worry is that volume, and second, the RSI. However, it has been positive for quite past some days, but it is now at 69.74 currently, and whenever the RSI is near 70, near the range of 70, so it's a breakout level or overbought zone. So just these are the two worry things. However, in if we see any downside currently for the stock, so that would should be considered as an opportunity to enter into the stock. And as it has crossed the 200 DMA level today, so generally when a stock clears its 200 DMA, so it's just starts to touch the new heights. So we expect that the stock can touch new heights from here. And let's also analyze it through some derivative data. So let's go to the NSE website, which I am using as a source to analyze the derivative data. So let me just refresh it once. Yes. So this is the option chain data of HDFC Life. So if we see, the stock is currently trading at 556. So the highest open interest stands at 600 level. So the call writers are not expecting the stock to go beyond 600. So this is the next resistance that the stock would be facing. So there is a clear upside of 50 points, which is also matching with our technical analysis data. And also if we analyze the puts data on the put side, so the highest open interest stands at 500 level. So that is a strong support for this stock. So that also matches with our technical analysis data. So it is advised for someone who is entering into the stock can keep a stop loss at 500 to 500 levels through options data, and with a target of 600. And if the stock clears the next resistance of 600, it would be the next target for the stock would be 650, as the highest open interest then is at the 650 levels. So both as per the technical analysis data and the options data, the stock is showing uh, positive signals. So it is recommended to buy at current market price of 566, and for next target of 600. Just to give you all a disclaimer, uh, the above analysis is only for educational purposes. Do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching it.